Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the update required stuck in loop error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam, right click on it, hit run as administrator. Once Steam is open, go over to library. From here click on Call of Duty and then right click on it again and then hit properties. Now from here go over to installed files and hit verify integrity of game files. Now once this is done, you can check to see if the error code has been fixed. Another method you guys can do is when you are on the page, like it says waiting for update or whatever, go ahead and just completely disconnect your Wi-Fi, like just completely turn it off, even if you have to like turn the Wi-Fi router off as well, and then plug it back in, and then once it says retry, go ahead and once your console or PC is connected to the Wi-Fi, go ahead and hit retry, and that does fix the issue for some people as well, so you can try that as well. And another method you guys can do is, again, like I said, just restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in and then check to see if that fixes the issue. Once you do all of these methods, you should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.